Hi, my name is Ashleigh Workman, and I'm going to be doing a screencast review of the web tool BrainPop. Personally, I love BrainPop and I use it quite a bit in my classroom, but I wanted to give you a quick overview of how you could use BrainPop in your classroom, what all it entails, and what level that of the SAMR model that BrainPop goes with. So for starters, this is the BrainPop's main website. You can have lesson planning, professional development, there's academic standards, tools and features, school to home connection, which is a big one, and news and updates. So let's click tools and features. All of the tools and features that support it are, you got movies, related reading, belly up for Discover. You've got Game Up, Challenge, Primary Sources, Wordplay, Quiz, and Quiz Maker under Play. And I use the Quiz and Quiz Maker a lot in my classroom. For Create, we have Make a Movie, Make a Map, Creative Coding. And you can also connect all of BrainPop's categories and videos and everything to all the academic standards. For the school to home connection, you can have letters to the family, login cards and bookmarks, and ideas for using BrainPop at home. My school actually has a BrainPop subscription, so I just kind of wanted to give you a quick overview of if you were going to use it in your classroom, what that would kind of look like when you log into the screen, and how I use it in my classroom. So for starters, once you log in, this is the page that you're going to come to. I teach science right now, so I'm going to click on science. And let's say I'm teaching a topic about energy. Well, these are all of the small videos that encompass energy, all of these topics. So let's say we're talking about waves. We have a movie, which is a short video clip that the kids can watch. Most of them are 5 minutes or less. This one's 4 minutes. You can put closed captioning on there. You can make it bigger. Once you're finished with the movie, you can do the quiz, make a map, make a movie, creative coding, game up, related reading, and there's also activities that they include. You can have a movie to transcript. I personally do the quiz with my kids. Sometimes we do the review together, sometimes we do the graded, but if you click on the review, it'll bring up questions like this, and then you can click interactively. You have a smart board in our classroom, so that's what we use to interact with for BrainPop. I have the kids come up and click answers. Sometimes I click the answers. It all just depends what we're doing. But that's kind of just a real quick overview of an example of what a video would look like, how you can interact with that video, and there's all different kinds of ways you can use it in your classroom. That's just personally a way that I use it right now. Integrating technology has been somewhat of a struggle for me as a newer teacher, and I'm learning every year. But right now, this is the first time I've ever had a subscription to BrainPop for my kids, so that the school has actually provided. So I'm really taking advantage of it, and I tried to play around with it some this year and really get into it and look at all the different topics and actually do the quiz with the kids. I want to try to do some more activities next year, maybe make a movie and do some creative coding. I have a lot of kids that like to do that. But let's see. As far as BrainPop and what level of the SAMR model that it goes with, I would say, well, according to Professor Neltner's model, BrainPop, right here, goes along with substitution. So it's going to be dealing with defining, listing, describing, naming, finding, recalling, identify, recording, labeling, and retelling, which is the most basic level of the SAMR model. Like I said, I'm going to try to incorporate some more technology activities into my classroom later on in this next school year. Our school has an Adobe Spark subscription. I'm really excited to try that. Definitely want to say that for the new blooms, that the SAMR model definitely goes with remembering. And as far as the ISTE international standards, I feel like it empowers learners and allows them to be digital citizens. Thanks so much for watching.